Uno Mariokart, how to play. This game plays the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of the rules, check out this video. The new rules are as follows. Each type of card is themed with a different image and has an item icon on it. The items don't do anything during normal play. The item box card is a wild that may be played on any card. When you play an item box, discard the top card of the draw deck. Ignore the number or action of that card, and instead look at the item icon on the card to determine what action you will take. The possible actions are as follows. Mushroom. Take another turn. Banana peel. The player who sits immediately before you in turn order must draw 2 cards, even if their turn was just skipped. Green shell. Pick a player to draw 1 card. Lightning. Every other player must draw 1 card, then you get to take another turn. Bob-omb. You must draw 2 cards. After you perform the item's action, you then get to pick the color that resumes play. At the beginning of the game, if an item box is the first card flipped, then the player to the left of the dealer may play any card on it. At the end of the game, each item box card left in an opponent's hand is worth 50 points.